Hi there, my name's Olivia and I'm very excited to be presenting to you my interior design industry research report. I've done this report on Madeline Blanchfield Architects. Madeline Blanchfield, who's over here, has had over 10 years experience in the industry before opening up her own firm. She's got 8 employees. They've got 4 architects, 2 interior designers and 2 junior architects. They're located in Paddington, New South Wales. Before Madeline opened up her own firm, she worked in a few of Sydney's leading architecture firms, and they did commercial and residential, but she really found that residential was somewhere that she'd rather be, that she'd like to do mainly her work in that area, and that's when she opened up her own firm and started to do that. Her brand and design philosophy. So Madeline Blanchfield Architects, MBA, they focus mainly on using light in their design. They create areas that show light in a way that most other areas don't. They open up their space. They use floor-to-ceiling windows, they use lots of light finishes, and their goal is to create a calming aesthetic in the area and to really bring that in and show the depths that light can bring. Their social media and communication strategy. Nowadays, if you don't have a social media and communication strategy, then you're really at a loss for your business. It's one of the main things that brands can use nowadays to put their brand out there and bring more customers in and widen their range and reach of who sort of sees their work and communicates with them and wants them to work for them. As you can see over here, they've got a beautiful light aesthetic Instagram page. They have quite a few followers, over 12,000 following that page, and then they also have their website. Everything's very consistent between the two, which is really nice because it looks so beautiful. It really does draw people's attention, and everyone sort of goes there, has a look around, and then reaches out to them based on their social media pages. Their website is also quite like light colours, and it really has a nice aesthetic to it, matches with the Instagram, and you can find all information on there regarding the awards they've won, the projects that they've already completed, and the upcoming projects as well that they're working on. Collaborations and clients. Madeline states that their biggest collaboration and mainly the people that they collaborate with are their clients rather than people on the outside. She says that this is one of their biggest things because if you don't involve the client in your stages 1 to finish, then it's not really going to be their home and you're not really designing it to their taste, their lifestyle and their style in general. This is one of the most important things I think in this industry is to be able to collaborate with your clients. I really recommend that is something that most designers work on. Participation within the industry. Madeline Blanchfield Architects, they were featured in Women in Architecture. I think this is really inspiring. That's something great that they can do for the industry to show other women that they can sort of do amazing things in a male-dominant industry. She's done very, very well. She's won lots of awards, and this is a great article to be featured in. She also, no matter how many years she has in the industry, she's still willing to put her work in for competitions. One of her main things that she has won is the My Ideal Home competition. She won this and she built a home that was the ideal Australian home. This is a picture of the backyard here, and this is a picture of the article it was featured in. She's also been featured in many, many different magazines. MBA has had their work put up in multiple places, and that is wonderful. Projects, 2 of their main, the Coogee House and the Cloverley House, they're absolutely stunning. They've also won lots and lots of awards for different things which you can find on their website. There is so much there for you to be able to have a look at, see all their beautiful work. They have a very continuous aesthetic throughout all of them, and they've done an incredible job with that. And finally, for my participation in this report, I went out to an event. This was hosted by the ARC agency. I got to mingle with suppliers. This was my first ever event, and I found that it was really, really important to go out, put yourself out there, mingle with them, and find new people that you can talk with about what's going on in the industry. This is one of the best things that I can recommend for people to go out and do, and I really had an incredible time. As you can see, I collected a lot of brochures, a lot of handouts, a lot of flyers. It was incredible. I had an amazing night. Thank you so much for listening to my report, and I hope you enjoy the handout that I've given you.